Hi, today we are going to see design of linear phase FIR filter using window method. This is Bemila. Need for window technique. So we abruptly truncate the infinite series to finite series in Fourier series method. This will lead to oscillation both in pass band as well as in stop band. So these oscillations are due to slow convergence of Fourier series, and this phenomena is called as a Gibbs phenomena. So this undesirable oscillation can be reduced by multiplying desired impulse response coefficient with the suitable window function. So the step procedure for linear phase FIR filter by window method are: number 1, step 1, to choose the desired frequency response of the filter Hg of e power j omega according to the filter. Step 2, take inverse Fourier transform of Hd of e power j omega to obtain the desired impulse response Hd of n. So Hd of n is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi integration minus pi to plus pi Hd of e power j omega into d omega. So step 3, to choose the desired window sequence and multiply with the inferior duration to obtain the finite duration. So for linear phase, h of n is equal to hd of n into w of n for the range 0 to n minus 1. So step 4 is to take the transformation of h of n to get h of z, which is equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 h of n into z power minus n. This is for causal system. And step 5, draw the suitable structure for realization of FIR filter. How to identify the types of filter? So this can be identified with the number of cutoff frequency given in the statement, whether it is one number of cutoff frequencies given or two number of cutoff frequencies given in the statement. If it is 1, it belongs to either low pass filter or high pass filter. So here the range is by minus pi to plus pi. This is your origin. This is an origin here. So this cutoff frequency will be placed between your 0 to pi omega c and 0 to minus pi as minus omega c. If the value is given for the range minus omega c to plus omega c, then the filter is said to be low pass. If the value is given for minus pi to minus omega c and omega c to plus pi, then it is said to be high pass filter. Suppose if it has two cutoff frequencies, it belongs to either band pass filter or band stop filter. So here you have two cutoff frequency, omega c1 and omega c2. So here this omega c1 and omega c2 will be placed as in between 0 and pi will have omega c1 and omega c2. In between 0 and minus pi will have minus omega c2 to minus omega c1. Now if your value is for the range minus omega c2 to minus omega c1 and omega c1 to omega c2, it is called as a band pass filter. And for minus pi to minus omega c2, minus omega c1 to plus omega c1 and omega c2 pi, it is said to be your band stop filter. So this is the desired frequency and then impulse response of linear phase FIR filter. So here the value will be of e power minus j omega alpha. So if this value is given, it is said to be your linear phase filter. Suppose instead of this e power minus j omega alpha, if the value is 1, it belongs to the ideal phase. So for linear phase, it is e power minus j omega alpha, where alpha is equal to n minus 1 here. And here for impulse response, the condition will be n is not equal to alpha and n is equal to alpha. And the window functions have the range of 0 to n minus 1. Now we will solve the problem here. Design a linear phase high pass filter using Hanning window with a cutoff frequency of 1.2 radian per second and n equal to 11. So the things given in the problem statements are, so the filter that they ask you to design is high pass filter. Then the category is linear, so it's linear or ideal, so it's a linear. And window is Hanning window, and then cutoff frequency is 1.2 and then your n is equal to 11. So these 5 parameters is important to begin the problem here. So step 1 is to choose the desired frequency response of the filter. So since it's going to be a high pass filter, we take it from the table. So Hg of e power j omega equal to e power minus j omega alpha for omega c less than or equal to modulus of omega less than or equal to pi. So since your modulus of omega is plus or minus omega, so you can have this as a minus pi to minus omega c and omega c to pi. So this modulus of omega means plus or minus omega. So minus is minus pi to minus omega c and plus is plus omega c into your pi. So alpha is equal to n minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5. Step 2 is to take the inverse Fourier transform of hd of e power j omega to obtain the hd of n. So here it's a high pass filter, so the value is minus pi to minus omega c and omega c to pi. So finding the value of it, here I can write it as a e power j omega n minus alpha. So integration of it and substitute your upper limit minus your lower limit and take your 2 pi j omega to 1 by 2 pi j into n minus alpha commonly out, and then you just rearrange it. So this is, bring your 2 power 2 into j inside, so that you will get your sin pi n minus alpha minus sin omega c n minus alpha divided by n into n minus alpha for n is not equal to alpha. For n is equal to alpha, 0 by 0 becomes indeterminate case, so hd of n is equal to this one. I am going to apply the L'Hospital rule. So sin a theta divided by theta equal to a. So 1 minus a sin pi, sin a theta minus sin a theta divided by a. So here the value is going to be 1 by pi into here pi minus omega c. So for n is equal to alpha, hd of n equal to pi minus omega c divided by pi. So finally your hd of n, desired impulse response will be sin pi into n minus alpha minus sin omega c into n minus alpha divided by pi into n minus alpha for n is not equal to alpha, and pi minus omega c by pi for n is equal to alpha. Your omega c value is obtained from the problem statement as 1.2. Substitute omega c as 1.2. And now
step 3. So choose the desired window sequence and multiply with the infinite duration hd of n to obtain the finite duration h of n. So h of n for linear system, h of n is equal to hd of n into w of n. So 0 to n minus 1. The value is from 0 to n minus 1. So here it is 0 to 10. So hd of n we can find, then we can find a w of n. So here hd of n is equal to pi in sin pi into n minus alpha. So replace your alpha by 5. So hd of 0 we will find now. So make sure the calculator is in radian mode and open bracket sin open bracket pi into n minus alpha. So n minus alpha is going to be 5. So open bracket close bracket minus sin open bracket 1.2 into open bracket alpha a minus 5 close bracket, again one close bracket, divided by open bracket shift pi into n minus alpha. So calculate. Now substitute the value of a as 0 equal to, so the value is minus 0.177. Next calculate the value of a as 1, so the value is 0.0793. Calculate the value as 2 and it is minus 0.4969. Calculate value of n is 3. So the value is minus 0.1073. So calculate 4. The value is 0.2932. Calculate 5. For alpha is equal to 4, the value is going to be different here. So calculate a is equal to 6. So it is 2.9627. Calculate 7 minus calculate 8, it is minus 0.469. Calculate 9, it is 0.0792, calculate 10. So the value we got it. So h of 7, hd of 5 is pi minus omega c by pi, which is equal to pi minus 1.2 divided by pi is 0.6180. So pi minus 1.2 close bracket divided by pi. So it is 0.6180. So similarly we have to find your W of n. So the window sequence that we have to use is hanging window. So the formula is 0.5 minus 0.5 cos 2 pi n by n minus 1. So 0 to 10 here, right? So W of 0, we will see what it is. So W of 0.5 minus 0.5 into cos open bracket 2 into pi into n divided by n minus 1 is going to be 10. So calculate. So the value of your n is 0 now, 0. So W of 0 is going to be 0. So calculate 1. So 0.0955. So calculate 2. The value is 0.345. Calculate 3. It is 0.6545. Calculate 4. So it is 0.9045. Calculate 5. 1. Calculate 6. It is 0.9045. Calculate 7. It's 0.6545. Calculate 8. It is 0.353455. Calculate 9. It is 0.0955 and calculate 10. So the value is 0 again. So now we found the hd of n as well as w of n. So we have to find your h of n. So h of n is equal to hd of n into w of n. So for n equal to 0 to 10, we have to find the value here, right? So multiply its corresponding value. H of 0 is equal to hd of 0 into w of 0. So the value is minus 0.0178 into 0 is going to be 0. Similarly h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4 and h of 5. Similarly 6 is equal to 4, 7 equal to 3, 8 equal to 2, 9 equal to 1 and 10 equal to 0. So we found the values. So step 4 to find the z transform. So h of z equal to summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 h of n z power minus n. Just expand this summation substituting the value of 0 to 10. So you got this one. So here this x of 6 is equal to your, you can equate it to your h of 4. Again h of 7 is nothing but your h of 3 and h of 8 is h of 2 and here it's going to be h of 1 and h of 0. So I can take this as a commonly out. So I take your h of 0 out now, 1 plus z power minus 10. So similarly I'll take all this, I'll replace it and then I'll take this one. So h of 1 na z inverse, again z power 9. h of 2 na z power minus 2, z power minus 8. So h of 3 means z power minus 3, z power minus 7. h of 4 is z power minus 6, minus 4, minus 6. So I just combine this and substitute the value of h of 0, h of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the values here. Now step 5 is to draw the structure here. So structure is this one. So it's going to be 1 plus z power minus 2. So this is your, if it is n is equal to 11 now, take it to n minus 1. So it's going to be n minus 1 is 10. So upper part 5, lower part 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it's 1 plus z power minus 10 is going to be coefficient is 0. 2 into z power minus z power minus 1, z power minus 9 into coefficient. So z power minus 2, z power minus 8 its coefficient, z power minus 3, z power minus 7 into coefficient, z power minus 4, z power minus 6 coefficient and z power minus 5. Just put this and get your structure. So the sums for practices. So design FAF filter with the following design specification. So here they have given the specification for minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. The value is this one. So this is your low pass filter. Here they didn't give anything about your n. So they have given the alpha value. So alpha is equal to 4. So the formula is n minus 1 by 2. So here it's going to be finding the value of n is, so 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1 is equal to your n. So n is equal to 9. So having window. Similarly, another one problem, linear phase FAF band pass filter. So solve this problem. So thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for automatic update. Have a nice day.